Hello everybody, today we'll be investigating the topic of alcohols in the context of chemistry. Firstly, all alcohols contain an OH hydroxyl group. Their names also always end with the suffix OL, ol. They are made from an alkane with the general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH, in which N is an integer representing the number of carbons in the molecule. It is also important to know the numbering in the name of an alcohol indicates the position of the hydroxyl group, which comes from the direction on the longest carbon chain that allows us to reach the hydroxyl group first. Furthermore, the bonding present in alcohols is strong covalent bonds along with hydrogen bonding between the highly electronegative atom of oxygen and hydrogen near the hydroxyl group. This accounts for their relatively high melting and boiling points. It may also be useful to know that alcohols are soluble in water. The classification of alcohols can be further broken into primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Those with the OH group at the end of the carbon chain, so like here, are known as primary alcohols because it is only attached to one other carbon atom. Following on, secondary alcohols have their OH group bonded to two other carbon atoms, and as the name suggests, tertiary alcohols have the OH group bonded to three other carbon atoms. To distinguish these, a reaction with acidic dichromate allows us to do this. Both primary and secondary alcohols will have a color change through rapid oxidation, while tertiary alcohols will have no reaction. Primary alcohols will form aldehydes, which can be further oxidized to form carboxylic acids. On the other hand, secondary alcohols will form ketones. Additionally, due to secondary alcohols having greater steric effect because of the extra carbon, it will therefore react slower compared to primary alcohols. Let's now put what we have learned into practice. The practical example we have here is to name the compound, and if it is an alcohol, classify it. So firstly, we can recognize this is an alcohol through the presence of an OH group. The longest carbon chain is a pentane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. However, since we are dealing with an alcohol, it is named pentanol. Going from left to right, so this way, across the main carbon chain, this is the shortest path to reach the OH group, which we recognize is on the second carbon. That's the first carbon, that's the second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. We can see that it's on the second carbon. Therefore, the name of this compound is 2-pentanol. Now, to classify it, we can see our hydroxyl group is attached between two carbon atoms, there and there. Therefore, it is a secondary alcohol, which answers the question. I hope you have gained a solid understanding of alcohols in the context of chemistry. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.